My name is Paul. I'm from Riverside in Dublin. I'm 55 years of age and I had undiagnosed heart disease. I'm no stranger to sport. I've completed the Ring of Kerry a couple of times. I've done the Dublin Marathon last year and completed about 20 marathons over the last 8 years. I consider myself to be reasonably fit, reasonably healthy. However, on the 4th of May, I suffered a major heart attack in the very first kilometre of the Prague Marathon. It's only thanks to the skills of the paramedic that came immediately to my aid and did CPR, and to the University Hospital in Prague that the surgeon installed a stent straight away, and I was put on a heart pump and oxygen for 2 days. I owe a huge debt of gratitude to the staff of this hospital and to Katerina, the paramedic that identified I was having a heart attack and immediately started CPR.